In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text into columns using a word processor. This technique is incredibly useful for creating newsletters, brochures, or any document where you want to give your content a more polished, magazine-style appearance. Let's get started with the process. First, you may be wondering whether you want your entire document or just a part of it to be in columns. If you decide to confine the column format to only a section of your text, you'll need to start by highlighting the specific portion you wish to transform into columns. Simply click and drag your cursor over the desired text to select it. However, if you're aiming to convert the entire document into columns, there's no need to highlight anything beforehand. You can directly move on to the next step with ease. With that decision made, you'll want to navigate to the Layout tab. Depending on the version of the word processor you're using, this might also be referred to as the Page Layout tab. It's always located in the ribbon at the top of your document, where you'll find various options for structuring and formatting your page. Once you've accessed the Layout or Page Layout tab, direct your attention to the Page Setup group. This section provides several layout options, and amongst these options, you'll find the Columns button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear, displaying different column choices. For most standard documents, selecting the two-column option will suffice, particularly if you're aiming for a straightforward, balanced look akin to that found in traditional print media. Choosing two will instantly split your text into two neat columns, creating a visually engaging layout that can break up dense sections of text and make your document easier to read. If you highlight a specific section earlier, those changes will apply only to that section. If you didn't highlight anything, the entire document will now be in two columns, providing a clean and consistent style throughout. Ultimately, this simple adjustment can significantly enhance the readability and aesthetic appeal of your documents. It's a great way to add professionalism and organization to your work. Whether you're designing a newsletter, drafting a manuscript, or simply experimenting with different layouts. Remember, once you apply the columns, you can always tweak and customize further. You might find yourself needing to adjust spacing, margins, or other stylistic elements to fit the new layout comfortably. Feel free to explore those options in the Page Setup group to ensure your document looks exactly how you envision it. That's all it takes to apply columns in a word processor effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel confident in incorporating columns into your document designs. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!